Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depressions plaguing the world at an all-time high, all at a rate at an age at an all-time low. I'm here to heal that. I love you and I miss you, Leo. Your word of the day I have for you is faith. I need you to have faith in your process. Trust the process. Have faith in yourself because you're a king, you're a queen, you're a Raj, you're an emperor. We are looking for you to show the way and give direction and strength. You are a ruler. So I know you're going through a tough time, but you're coming out of a tough time. There's a lot of opportunities, a lot of blessings, a lot of strength that you've shown from the year ago from this date. Look how strong you have transformed your body to be, mind, body, and spirit. I am confident I will achieve my goals. That's one thing that we love about you rulers, that we love you about you kings, queens, you Leos, that you're always forever confident. You lead and you never fail. In times you may have tripped, sometimes you may have bent, but you never broke. And that's why you've always been the existing example of royalty. So you can not only lead your people, lead us, your society. There's a lot of people that are watching you that you may not see. But just because you don't see it does not mean that you don't have an entire community looking and mimicking the way you talk, you walk, and how you transition through life and through tribulations. I live in the present and I have faith in the future. I firmly believe in the value within the universe. Understand that you have a job. You weren't born an Aries. You're not born a Taurus. You weren't born a Pisces. You were born a Leo. Therefore, you're able to take on different loads and compensations and understanding and being able to elevate and lead to lead the world. You have different gifts that you need to embrace and understand you're strong enough to handle it. Never said it'd be easy, but it definitely will be worth it. Remember, be kind to one another, love one another, and please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. I love you.